Greetings traders! In today's trading session I will dwell into realm of cryptocurrencies and trade cryptocurrencies that I actually don't know anything about them. There is coin called Polygon and that word simply means absolutely nothing for me, and I deliberately didn't had any background checks. I didn't look at coin market cap, I didn't look at their website, their social media. I don't know their blockchain, their protocol, their ideas, what they are trying to do, how they are trying to make world better place or whatever, because most important thing is I don't give a damn about that.
So you will be going here if you are new to Pocket Options. So you just have to click something like registration and you will just sign up the form, or either you could go and sign up with Google depending on what are your preferences and your email setups. And basically that's all there is. Once you bought sign up button, you have to put your basic data like your name, surname, email, place where you reside and stuff like that. Once that is set, you have to simply go through ID verification process where you will actually start to upload your information regards your ID and KYC. Once this is settled, you basically could start to trade like you see with free demo account. So once you are set, you could open interface which looks like that, and basically that's it. You actually have like only a couple of minutes to register, and if you don't want to deposit money right away, you could just make your registration with demo account and see how it works. Once you are set, you could basically open finance button and start to deposit money, and deposit monies are very simple, either with cards or with cryptos, so it's all up to you. But these are like 1, 2, 3 steps. Firstly, you just register with Pocket Option by using your Google account or name your basic information. If this is settled, you put your KYC in there, open account, which I just show you, which looks exactly like this one. You will see that. Then you press finance, press deposit, and you could start to trade and follow my trading instructions. So
I work as a short-term trader, and my duty as a short-term trader is to make money on price action. And if I'm using price action in short term, I don't care what they do. And that simply could actually be more harm than benefit, because that would cloud my decision and I wouldn't look at prices rationally, because if I would believe in this currency, it will be difficult for me to short it. But if prices are going downwards, I have to short it because statistics are on my side if I'm going to short when prices are falling. But if I will be simply naive believer, I will discredit my own trading strategy. That's why if you are trading, you don't have to care about fundamentals unless the reasons are extremely important, which is not the case in this scenario. So that's the thing. I don't know anything about this Polygon coin, and I don't want to know anything about it because it doesn't matter, because my trading strategy is not in any kind dependent or relies on any kind of fundamental information regards company. And in short term, that doesn't mean anything anyhow. So that's more important thing. And you will see now why that doesn't matter, because I will make money on that. So what are my setups? Well, if you are following me, my trade setups are kind of similar always. I base my trade setups on two simple things. Either prices are moving sharply in either direction, which means I will continue this move and make a long trade when prices are rising sharply, or go short if they are falling sharply. If prices are closing above or below moving average, in this case also, I will either go long or go short depending on where markets are closing, because statistics says when prices are going into either direction, they have tendency to continue to do that. And this is very good way to make money, because if you have sharp eyesight, so to speak, or in other words, you are quick enough to export these time windows, you could make good money. And I will show you just that, because I will use only 5 seconds time window, or in other words, trade duration will be 5 seconds, and I will risk 1,000 per each trade, which means each profitable trade will bring me $920. So quick, sharp moves with good profit opportunities. This is way how I like to trade. And let's start. Now the first trade. As we are seeing, prices are climbing upwards, they are above trend line and they are just continue to climb, and that means I have to go long. I just did go long. Markets gave me opportunity window of 5 seconds and I made $920. Not bad for first trade of today's trading session. Second trade. let's continue our upwards move because markets are going up. Nothing else to add. And our 5-second opportunity window yielded us profit. You see, it even reverted at previous direction, but we were there first. So we booked our second profit as well and made additional $920. Okay, trade number 3. Well, prices are heading downwards. Now our previous upwards move was reversed and now prices are falling, but will they fall below moving average or not? Well, seems not. So prices are still continuing to climb, so this was false move and that means we have to go higher. Yes, we were correct, previous candle was false indication and prices moved their initial move, or at least for the time being, so they gave us plenty of opportunity windows to make our third profitable trade of $920, and this is all that matters. Whether the prices will continue for next 2 hours or for 2 seconds in the same direction, that doesn't bother us. Okay, trade number 4 will be short trade because we moved sharply lower, and as I was saying in the beginning, if prices are sharply moving in either direction, we should continue to this price movement. And 5 seconds is enough for these kind of moves because strong moves tend to do so. So our fourth trade was with $920 of profit. Okay, trade number 5. So we are just above moving average. That means we have to go long. There is no other way. This was extremely close. It sometimes happens. We were just above our entry point, but still markets gave us 5-second opportunity window and we booked $920 of profit. What could I say here? I don't care what happens next because I made my move and I made my money. So conclusion of today's trading session. We made $500. We made 5 trades with $920 of profit, or in other words, $4,600 total. Not bad for 5-minute trading session, right? But as I'm saying always, there is more behind it. It is tested strategy with thousands of hours behind the screen. And now I precisely know how it works. That's why I am able to trade it so fast and so effectively.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell so you don't miss notifications about new content. There's a lot of interesting stuff here, from live trading sessions to trading education and best trading strategies. And to get even more cool content, I am across social media, so subscribe to my other social networks by using links in description. My Telegram channel will give you not only trading lessons, but live trading signals. So join me and let's make money together.